Hi everyone, so kind of late last night I got my HSN craft day order in, at least part of it, and it included the Today Special and a Griffin Today Special. I wish I had come in a little bit earlier. I would have made a video of it yesterday, but here we are, bright and early, and I'll probably show this after the last of the swap reveals because it's kind of a short time to release it after I release the video for this. So if any of the items are still available, I'll link them in the description box. Those will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. This actually reminds me, All Diamond Press is going to have free shipping this week and on HSN, so you don't have to buy like $75 worth of whatever to get the free shipping. It's just free shipping on everything Diamond Press, as opposed for like their birthday or anniversary kind of thing. So I just released this video, but I didn't know that then. And also the cross stitch, this one at least is not on the site yet, so I didn't really talk about any of that. And a bummer, the texture and embossing folders are sold out now, so even this background that I used is not available anymore. But real quick, a couple things I did pick up on Amazon and Michael's. Like I said, my order had said it was delivered from Michael's, but like other items trickle in, and I'm like, this is weird. So this was one of them, a punch bunch. I guess I don't know if that's what it's called, punch bunch or punch a bunch, but either way, any size tag maker. And you know, I'm a sucker for these kinds of things. But what I like is that it makes like these different edges, so you can play with that, but then also the different kind of like notched out tops. So we will try it out and see what that's about. This just came in from Amazon. Oh, and it's taped across the top. I don't really like the way they do that, but I guess it's better than things falling out. It's like Valentine related, like confetti maker kind of thing. So it has like little tiny envelopes, and it has like the little locks, and it has the little cupids, but it just came in, so it's a little bit late for me to use for other things, but I'll use it for different videos, for like swaps, and then little hearts. So really fun plates, and I'll put them here, and hopefully I won't misplace them. Oh, sorry guys. That was a horrible noise. Okay, so let's see what's in the box, because I know for sure the Today Special's in here, but there's some other items too. And everything else is like processing or weird stuff. So, yeah, I guess craft day was Tuesday, and I got this stuff yesterday, which was Friday, so I guess that came pretty quickly. Okay, so I did pick up the floral silhouette kit from LDRS Creative. I just really like, to be honest, my favorite thing was the stencil, that background one that was like a dahlia, like just opened up. But then she has like this rose one, so of course I'll try this out. There's like a silhouette dies, and then there's also dies that you can pop in the background to make them pop, right? So that's really good. So we have those pieces, or that, should I say? What is this? Oh yeah. Okay, I was gonna say Carson Companion. I don't think I ordered anything of theirs, but I did. I forgot. It was this Autoship, the confetti. I think this is so cute, you guys. I still am in love with it because what it does it like little stitch marks. It cuts out the hearts, and then the extra hearts that come out, you can kind of play with them here and there, or just not use them. But I think it looks cuter, obviously, using them like little confetti here and there. So I mean, how cute. So I will definitely try these out. Maybe today, because they're going to be kind of quick to use. But it was a set, and I'm sure the Autoship comes later with like 2 of them, or maybe 1, I don't know. They usually do like 4 or 3 or 4 at the beginning, and then after that, the Autoships are less amounts of them for a similar price, usually is what happens. But anyway, cute. All right. Oh, yeah. There's the Anna Griffin embossing folders, the heart ones. I don't know if these are still available. I guess I'll link whatever's available. I also picked up the concentric hearts, and those sold out really fast, so I was able to get them because those have shipped, so it's not like they're just holding me off on them. I think they shipped. I know there's something else I picked up that says extended delivery now, and I was like, no, because sometimes that's not great. These are like slimline folders that do the cut and emboss, but what's really cool is that she could have just left it there, and then this, the heart cuts out, but now you have hearts that you can play with too, because the hearts cut out, but they also have embossing on them, so it's really cute. Even this 3-tier one. What's interesting though is these don't really matte layer over this, it's just its own thing, so if you see something where like this, they cut it by hand, like they cut into this one, fussy cut it basically to make it pop and not just be one piece. So just always keep that in mind whenever you're looking at something like, oh, it might be a little more difficult to use than you think, right? And the Today Special. Let's check this out. And you know what reminded me to even open this morning? I got a comment from another person that left actually a comment on this, saying that she's hearing that Today Special doesn't fit in the marquee. It wouldn't surprise me, but she said I guess the measurements seem like they would fit in the marquee. So let's check it out. I mean, it's a little bit late now for people if they reordered it, but hopefully. I love that it's really safe and secure in here. Oh, hitting my lighting. Oh my gosh, you guys. I had a chance to polish my nails yesterday, but not very well, so I didn't even get to clean them up, so they're a little funky looking, so sorry if they look not great. Oh, but they match my Vianney Griffin here. Finishing school flower cart craft box, and I always open it and I show the code, so I will take this out, put my thumb over it. Not that I care, because I literally never use the code for the finishing school. I've never logged in. I don't even know what that means or where to go to do that. I'm assuming her site. Let's see, it says VianneyCreates.com. Select the flower cart easel cards and join now. Once inside the cart, enter the below coupon code and apply. Proceed to checkout. Returning customers, please sign in with your VianneyCreates.com account. New customers, you're going to create an account, and then there's no need to enter payment information. The cost will be $0. Return to finishing school from the navigation bar. Click My Schools to locate the flower cart easel cards classes. So that's how you would do that. But we have something like this, so we will check the sizing there. So there's some info here. Again, I mean, it's pretty basic. The top, layers that you would put on, aside from the 5x7 card base, the easel back, a shadow layer. That's interesting. As far as the 5x7 card base, I want to see, is it a flat piece of paper or is it a card? We will see. This looks really cute when you open it up like this. I know my camera only can see so much. Sorry. I know someone left me a complaint about that. I'm like, okay, are you gonna get me a new camera? Because I got this one. It's a 4K, and this is it, guys. I don't know what to tell you. All right, these are gorgeous. I cannot even look at the little gold in the basket. I mean, I love this for other situations. And if I'd known that there were so many and looked like this, I honestly probably would have picked up 2, and I'm not kidding. Because unless these are sold separately, and sometimes they do, they'll like bring out different parts, like the china cabinet ones. They brought out like just the stickers and card bases, or just the dies or things like that. So keep an eye out, because these are really, really pretty. Look at this one, the whole flower box. And then some just like little flowers here and there. I love little pots. Oh my gosh, so cute. I thought this was one thing, so I picked up these guys, which are like some flourishes, the little pails. Oh my gosh, the butterflies, maybe some kind of like texture. Can you see that? It looks like wood or something. I'm sure, yeah, there's got to be some way to use that makes sense, because it's an interesting shape. And then here we have all these sentiments. If you were a flower, I'd pick you. Every day is for flowers. Happy birthday. I'll do a whole video on this, guys, so I'm not really. So I'll follow up with the whole tutorial, but for now, stop and smell the roses. A bit of an unboxing. Thanks. I love this little banner. That is so cute. Okay. And then these are your probably signature cards, as she calls them. Yeah, so you can place them. Like in here, so you have a place to write something if you're going to write a little something. In pretty colors. It looks like. I don't think that's small enough to go through the marquee. I don't even think it looked like it was small enough to go through the marquee. I have other machines, so I wasn't paying attention to that, but I wouldn't have assumed that, to be honest, because if you think about it, it's on a 5x7 card and it takes up most of the space. If you're, if you watch the demos, I didn't really watch the demos. I just knew I wanted to grab this. So honestly, I don't think that was a thing. But look at the little butterflies. Oh my gosh. And then the little swag, super cute. Oh, this is like the awning or eave or whatever. This part here. How cute. Yeah, I guess it's called an awning, right? Something like that. Card bases, and I believe it makes 18, so there should be 18 envelopes. Did I say card bases? Envelopes. 18 envelopes. I was still going to say card bases. Oh, these are like her little strips that she made, sometimes where they just punch out, and then again, more greenery or like floral swags. Pages of those. Good amount of these. These look like 6x8, don't they? Are these 5x7? It would surprise me. Let's see. Yeah, these are 6x8. Maybe a little bit longer than 8 even. Well, at least that's what it looks like. So probably 6x8. I just measured on the mat real quick. Oh, wow. So yeah, okay. I suppose this is what they mean. This feels weird to me because if this is what you're setting it on, it's not very thick, you know. I mean, it's thick paper, but it's not a card base. So if you're setting it on this, it does feel a little bit thin, but this is that Annalise paper. I picked up its own paper pack. It is gorgeous. I am in love with this stuff. So yeah, so you have all these 6x8, which are a nice big size. I think this is 6x8. That's probably why it feels more like floppy. I think once you cut this down, it might feel a little sturdier. Do you know what I'm saying? Because it's so big and then there's so many papers in my hand. So we'll see whenever we try this out. That is gorgeous. And I just realized, yeah, this is like the Annalise papers. And then this is the die set. And I can see already that this is going to be too wide. Yeah, for sure, for the marquee. Let me get a quick measurement for you. Of course, I didn't have this ahead of time, obviously. I know people leave comment like, oh, Anna Griffin sent you this or that when you reviewed this. I'm like, no, she hasn't sent me anything. I pay for this stuff. Like, Anna Griffin, We Are Memory Keepers, Crafters Companion, mostly, I buy those myself. And if I don't, I say at the very beginning of the video, right, that it was provided or whatever. Sent free of charge, you know. So please don't get that twisted. Yeah, this is almost 4 3/4. I'm looking at the metal, you know, 4 3/4, which, you know, the marquee's like 4 1/4, maybe, right? Maxing it out by 7 metal to metal, looks about 7 inches tall. So it's the width that's going to get you on that. But again, you have the beautiful little cart, and then you have the background piece for it. You have this little bouquet, super cute. An extra wheel to make that pop, you know what I'm saying? Make it more decorative there. This is very pretty just for something, you know what I'm saying? Like a label, but yeah, so it's a really pretty label piece, and then with the background, and then the easel part. So I will hop to it. I think I'll start off with that Crafters Companion one though. So for today, I'll leave you with an unboxing of this, and then you'll soon see the Crafters Companion one. Maybe not today, because today I have already that video plus the swap, and then this one, right, the unboxing. So we'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Yeah, I'll see you all at the next one. Again, I'll link in the description box the items that are still available that I'm showing here. And yeah, so Giant Press has free shipping on HSN throughout. You know, I was going to edit and do some different things, and I do see that they do have just the flowers, like that whole embellishment set by itself. And actually, a lot of Anna Griffin items also have free shipping today, so something to check out. Yeah, so remember at the beginning I was saying, oh, sometimes they sell these just by themselves. So definitely grabbing more of those, so that's good. Saves me, you know, like $30 instead of buying this whole thing again. I'll just buy that pack of flowers and embellishments. And then what else? Oh, I didn't know she had a new slimline auto ship, you guys. When I saw it, I thought, oh, they're just trying to sell, you know, whatever, the same ones from before, like the slimlines I already have with the spooky slimline and like all these different ones. But it was a new one. Oh, I missed out on it. So I just picked up right now the first iteration of it. I guess I'll just have to keep an eye out whenever the other ones come out, because a lot of times when they have overstock, they will bring them to the site, and I always let you guys know about that because I'm usually in the auto ship. But it's just a beautiful set, and they really look like a lot of her 5x7 type dies, but she made them slimline, you know. So anyway, yeah, what a bummer. But I'll link that one too, just so you can check it out. And again, it's just single ship at this point. But every time I go out, you know, I'll go over there, I use my own links, I'll click over there, and then I'll type in, like, let's say Anna Griffin, and then sort it by newest. And I did not see that, but I think it's because she had so many new items, it was way down on the search, you know, so that's kind of a bummer. But oh well. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye now.